Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to perform a factory reset on your Nintendo device, an easy guide. This process completely wipes all personal information, downloaded games, and user data from your console. It is a powerful tool for troubleshooting persistent problems or preparing your device for sale. Please be aware that once initiated, this action cannot be undone. Always ensure you genuinely wish to remove all data before proceeding, and explore other options first if your issue is minor. Before you begin, it is crucial to prepare your Nintendo system properly. First, if your device supports it, back up any game save data or screenshots you wish to keep, as these will be permanently deleted. Next, ensure your console has a significant charge, ideally at least 50% power. Even better, connect it directly to its power adapter. This prevents the device from powering down unexpectedly during the reset, which could cause serious system damage. To start the reset, first power on your Nintendo device and go to the home screen. From there, select the system settings icon, which often looks like a wrench. Scroll down the left-hand menu until you find System and tap it. On the right, look for formatting options, then select Initialize Console. You will receive multiple warnings asking you to confirm. Read each carefully and confirm to proceed with the full system wipe. Once you confirm the initialization, your Nintendo device will begin the reset process. This typically takes a few minutes, so please be patient and do not power off the console during this time. After the reset is complete, your device will restart and display the initial setup screen, just like when you first purchased it. You can now set up your user profile, connect to Wi-Fi, and re-download any digital purchases if you wish to do so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.